Hi everyone, my name is Ned Bellavance and welcome to my course, Managing and Configuring Azure Key Vault. I am a Microsoft Azure MVP and founder of Ned in the Cloud LLC. One of the foundational services in Microsoft Azure is Key Vault. This powerful offering enables the creation, storage, and lifecycle management of sensitive data such as encryption keys, passwords and secrets, and digital certificates. In this course, you will learn how to deploy, configure, and manage Azure Key Vault and the sensitive data stored inside. We will be focusing on several topics within the course, including Azure Key Vault use cases and integrations, creating and managing keys, secrets, and certificates, configuring Key Vault access on the management and data planes, logging and auditing of Key Vault using log analytics and the Kusto query language. By the end of this course, you will be ready to create and manage Azure Key Vault for your organization. Before beginning this course, you should have a solid understanding of the services in Microsoft Azure, experience using Azure PowerShell or the Azure CLI, and a passion for protecting your cloud deployments. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about Azure Key Vault and how it can make your Azure deployments more secure with the course Configuring and Managing Azure Key Vault at Pluralsight.